YouTube. If you have a hyper flash, stay tuned. I'm gonna tell you what to do to fix this part of the 2005 Silverados, Tahoes, uh, Suburbans, anything of that year, y'all, from 2003 to 2006. How to fix this problem? Stand by. I'm gonna show you what's going on.
Chevy pulling up, bass hit loud as hell. Ella swap car, truck, horsepower don't ever fail. Ever fail. Chevy rolling up, bass hit loud as hell. Ella swap car, truck, horsepower don't ever fail. Ever fail. Chevy rolling up, bass hit loud as hell. Ella swap car, truck, horsepower don't ever fail. Ever fail. Yo, Chevy rolling up, bass hitting loud as hell. LS rock, car, truck, horsepower don't ever fail. Yeah, LS swap, car, truck, horsepower don't ever fail.
YouTube, welcome back for another video, y'all. It's cold outside on this Tuesday morning, y'all. So today I'm outside trying to fix my hyper flash out, right? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove a lot of stuff. I'm gonna put my steering wheel down all the way to 1 and remove this piece, this bezel right here, out right here. All right, that's gone. And I'm gonna also replace my headlight switch. Also, going back with the factory one. So I'm going to get this out of my glove compartment. This one right here, I'm replacing the headlight switch and the fuse for my relay. All right, now I'm gonna come back, put it back in park. Take my key out the switch. All right, now I'm going down below and remove the 7mm bolts off down here. There's 2 down below. On the right side and the left side. All right, got the 2 screws removed, put them in the corner. This panel come down. Got to pick up on it and pull down on it. Pull out on it, pull out on it, pull out. There you go. It's out now, y'all. There's a little clip on the back of this bezel right here. Take that clip out, put it back on the piece. It came out for. So I take this little piece off right here and snap it down back right here. All right. Now I'm gonna take my headlight switch out first. Then I'm going down below here. It's like a little box right here. I gotta remove out. So I'm gonna put my headlight switch in first. Get my same flat blade screwdriver and slowly take this out. There's some little grooves on the bottom of it. Just slowly take that out. That comes out now. Slide that out. Press the little release flip on the inside of it. The old one out. The new one going back, the used one going back in. So, boy, it's cold out here, boy. It's cold out here. Just know it's cold, y'all. Gotta line this up just right so that you get in that slot. There you go. It's back in there. Slowly put it back in. You hear the snaps. Now it's in there. Alright. Now down below that switch is this little box go with right here. So I'm gonna get my screwdriver and pluck this side out. Gotta get to it, y'all. Gotta get to it. It's kinda hard, though. Bear with your boy. I'm gonna get out of it, though. I'm gonna get it out of there. Let me cut you back on, y'all. All right, y'all. I got the piece out. It's coming down, y'all. See? This piece right here needs to be replaced. A new one is right here. See the difference of it? This the GM1, and this the aftermarket one with the LED on it. $17 off of eBay, y'all. I'm gonna put this piece back down like this here. Let that piece back in from the bottom up. Slides right back in place. All right. That piece goes down here. It goes right here. So to remove the, stop you from having flash. I'm gonna cut you back on to show you how it turned out, y'all. Give me a minute. All right, y'all. Job is complete. Y'all see that? No more hyper flash. So now I gotta put everything back together, y'all. It's like a little relay. You can tell where it is, but it's clicking so loud, and you just know that just the comical problem when we put these LEDs in the car. So now, all right, y'all. I put the LED in, y'all. I mean, relay in. This right here is gone. No more hyper flash. So now I'm gonna put everything back together. And put everything back together where it goes at. And y'all just stay tuned, y'all. So bear with me, y'all. Put everything back together. Alright, I'm gonna flip back on. There you go. It's back in there, y'all. So now I'm gonna have to remove this panel one more time to put my new radio in soon. I can't tell you how soon it's gonna be, but it's coming soon, I promise you. That's Pioneer, baby. The tools I used was a 7mm with a small socket and ratchet, small socket, small extension, and a flat blade screwdriver, y'all. That's all I use. Alright, y'all, that's done. This out and this out. I don't think I gotta do nothing. Just put my bezel, my stereo bezel back on. So, clean the mess up. And now I gotta lower my steering wheel. That back down to the L1 position. Let me check that out in the dark, y'all. So I can't go tell in the daytime. All right, put my bezel back on there. All right, y'all, that's it. That's what I'm doing, y'all. We was here last put in, new headlight switch put in, my new relay put in. No more hyper flash. We're good to go. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching this video, y'all. It means a lot. Yeah, I hope I helped somebody out. You know what I mean? Make sure y'all like this video, comment on this video, and like I said before, y'all, do what you love and love what you do. Another thing, y'all, I am doing a 3,500 subscriber giveaway. There's gonna be 4 winners. So join the family, y'all. Come on, let's get me right, y'all. So I'll get y'all right. I'm gone, y'all. See y'all on the next live.
Yo.